Continuous tenses in action, Part 4, Operations Manager's Growth. Present perfect continuous. Operations Manager has been learning, working, and growing from small deliveries during long nights at the warehouse, planning, tracking, and solving problems every day, reaching goals, and feeling proud. Past perfect continuous. Operations Manager had been learning, working, and growing from small deliveries during long nights at the warehouse, planning, tracking, and solving problems every day, reaching goals, and feeling proud. Future perfect continuous. Operations Manager will have been learning, working, and growing from small deliveries during long nights at the warehouse, planning, tracking, and solving problems every day, reaching goals, and feeling proud. Continuous tenses in action, Part 5, Logistics Manager's Goal. Present continuous. What is Logistics Manager wanting most? Answer: Logistics Manager is wanting smooth operations. That is the main goal for Logistics Manager. Past continuous. What was Logistics Manager wanting most? Answer: Logistics Manager was wanting smooth operations. That was the main goal for Logistics Manager. Future continuous. What will Logistics Manager be wanting most? Answer: Logistics Manager will be wanting smooth operations. That will be the main goal for Logistics Manager. Continuous tenses in action, Part 6, Freight Specialist Skills. Present continuous. Freight Specialist is organizing shipments, solving problems, communicating with clients. This is becoming the most important skill for Freight Specialist. Past continuous. Freight Specialist was organizing shipments, solving problems, communicating with clients. This was becoming the most important skill for Freight Specialist. Future continuous. Freight Specialist will be organizing shipments, solving problems, communicating with clients. This will be becoming the most important skill for Freight Specialist. Follow us for more interesting content like this.